The SwitchBot K10 Pro is a quiet yet powerful robotic vacuum that offers a truly hands-free cleaning experience. And it is a small marvel of modern technology. This miniature cleaning champion glides effortlessly across your floors, a silent whisper in the whirlwind of daily chores. It's equipped with an innovative self-emptying base station, a cavernous repository that holds up to 90 days of dust and debris, thereby liberating you from the constant task of bin emptying. Just as a diligent gardener tends to a vast landscape, so too does the K10 Pro methodically navigate every corner and crevice of your home, ensuring a pristine environment. Furthermore, its powerful suction acts like a relentless magnet, pulling in even the most stubborn dirt, dust, and pet hair, while its anti-hair-tangle design prevents frustrating clogs. The SwitchBot K10 Pro quiet, powerful vacuum is not merely a gadget. It's a silent sentinel, a guardian of cleanliness that works tirelessly in the background, making your life simpler and your home cleaner. Moreover, the SwitchBot K10 Pro boasts a symphony of smart features that harmonize with your connected home. It dances gracefully with Alexa, Siri, and Matter, with Hub 2 required, consequently allowing you to start or stop a cleaning cycle with a simple voice command. Likewise, it connects seamlessly to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, giving you complete control through the SwitchBot app, where you can schedule cleanings, create no-go zones, and monitor its progress in real time. Similarly, its super quiet operation means you can run it even while you're working, watching TV, or sleeping, without any disruptive noise, so you can enjoy uninterrupted peace. In fact, this robotic vacuum is a master of subtlety, akin to a ninja in the night, cleaning your floors without ever drawing attention to itself. The SwitchBot K10 Pro quiet, powerful vacuum is, therefore, an invisible force for good, a testament to the fact that the most impactful helpers are often the ones you don't even notice. Finally, the SwitchBot K10 Pro is designed for both efficiency and endurance, and it is a true workhorse in a compact package. Its long-lasting battery allows it to clean large areas on a single charge, and when it's low on power, it automatically returns to its base to recharge, much like a weary traveler finding its way back to a cozy inn. Additionally, its compact size allows it to reach under furniture and into tight spaces where larger vacuums cannot go, thereby leaving no stone unturned in its quest for cleanliness. After all, a truly clean home is one where every nook and cranny is addressed. And the K10 Pro is built to do just that. Ultimately, this vacuum is an investment in your well-being, a small machine with a big mission, to give you back your time and peace of mind. The SwitchBot K10 Pro quiet, powerful vacuum is more than just a cleaning tool. It is a symbol of a smarter, more effortless way of living. Pros: great robo vac, picks up dog hair, doesn't get lost, easy app setup, mapping and cleaning is quick, powerful back suction, gets under furniture, works wonderfully, good for allergies. Suction level is very good, removes all pet hair, don't need to empty frequently. Cons: app can be difficult and frustrating. Initial mapping takes a long time. Mop feature struggles with some floors. Mop plate raises height of the robot, gets thrown off by beveled anti-fatigue mats. Struggles to pick up full-size popcorn. Can't set different suction levels per room. Android app has rebooting issues. Features: self-emptying for 90 days, mini, palm-sized design, super quiet operation at 45 decibels, powerful 3000 pascals suction, anti-hair-tangle, rubber brush, works with Alexa, Siri, and Matter. LDS laser navigation system, reaches under low furniture, maps up to 10 different Floors, large 4L dust bag capacity. The SwitchBot K10 Pro is a compact, self-emptying robot vacuum designed for convenience and powerful cleaning. It can operate hands-free for up to 90 days with its large 4L dust bag. Its mini, palm-sized design allows it to easily reach under low furniture, and it operates at a super quiet 45 decibels. With 3000 pascals of suction and an anti-hair-tangle rubber brush, it effectively cleans various surfaces. The vacuum features an LDS laser navigation system that can map up to 10 different floors, and it offers smart home integration with Alexa, Siri, and Matter. Hub 2 required. The SwitchBot K10 Pro is a quiet and powerful robot vacuum that is great for people with allergies and pet owners, as it excels at picking up dog hair. It's easy to set up with the app and quickly maps and cleans your home without getting lost. It can get under furniture and has strong suction, which is good for removing all pet hair. You don't have to empty the dustbin for up to 90 days, which makes it a very hands-free device. However, the initial mapping takes a long time. The mop feature can struggle on some floors, and the Android app can be difficult to use with occasional rebooting issues. It also has trouble picking up large items like popcorn and can be thrown off by beveled mats. Additionally, you cannot set different suction levels for each room,